various transfers a bit marcos within the space of time. Near Baby games bigger crabby not yet DSC. The Edikai. Messi Mount issue no can put the no Michael Adomusu Kwame in Ayatiasia who do Mopeso Moye in terms of bringing in Messi Mount. Now, in the last few hours, and a Pierre Bontin said Manchester United interested in signing Declan Rice attached to Messi Mount. Now, the plot that Manchester United wants to use, and they say, Messi Mount, not down for pan Declan Rice. And yen chain, not down for pan. Now, Omo GDS said getting Messi Mount could lure the move of Declan Rice into their favor. As it stands, Arsenal leading the race to sign a brand friendly Declan Rice because officially, Omo approach Declan Rice and making sure say Omo the Omo project never to Declan Rice and him so omra. Obeshemwa, Obebo number 6 no Obebo ni sisi ana Jorginho ni AJ Kosoro. What study the new trend there by Thomas Partey a similar more monitor situation because one person more fan. So Arsenal will be looking forward to get a young and energetic player in the shape of Mason Mount. One, technically, or a very good on the ball, or a modern, and a very efficient when it comes to actually playing as a box-to-box midfielder. Already Granit Xhaka beko. So Arsenal they can approach Declan Rice. They are tuning him say your project in the same net here. About this number of games. You be you say you be one say a brand new dream is soon. Manchester person mo ya no mo fetch just to use the Mason Mount route. And make sure someone saka Messi Mount omo di belio Declan Rice amana be PM. The question I able say one here say team na ankasa no one they can't spend more than 100 million pounds unless they sell more players.
That's Man United.
Yes.
Team spend
because of financial fair play.
Oh, okay.
Price in terms of sales, Manchester and time don't players that the net spend of Manchester United was negative. A broso krabi bre. Okay, the last time Manchester United don't play be 50 million pounds.
Watch it.
But every year, be a Manchester spend the cross spend about 250 million pounds.
Yeah.
So a pile it up, and a Manchester sad the car. Or more to top players in the can ye. It's a bob one normal I can do almost better 350 million pounds. I daho. I was almost it's almost because annual money plus the salary wage bill of the club. Omuni said your mama was rodo. It's FFP no. Manchester United 100 million pounds assistance. Plus sales. Unless you have a new owner within the club. New owner never can I that honey be bring now no try to do na the day.
I feel.
If you want my books never balance but balance it thoroughly. It will be instead of 100 million no, a bit more could be 150, 180 or even 200. I'll bet you spend but I want to meet 200 no. It's a mommy put some question say. Oh Messi Mount. Why already so bet you have 47.5 million pounds and at West 60 million pounds for Messi Mount. O say Declan Rice am due to me say West Ham am turn the crown. On be turn the 100 million pounds and 90 million pounds. O can me enubo Abu Dhabi who is financing that particular amount of transfer money. When the finances are there, it means the club might have gotten an investor minor. Glazers na J minority investor bisika and on what they are there no. And now say between Jim Ratcliffe and Sheikh Jassim emu baako em so ba kwa mu exclusivity period a omun kan kire obia and the pakro na share kire or finance the club because the kind of players they are entering into any the amount of these players no is difficult but abu mount the end the area June no they will make sure say they will sell it and on person we transfers in them no mo kokko enim near that sorry and no pay na PSG akwa kopie mo Portugal a brand Liverpool ni abresa nko person mo sign a mo twen omo. The moment Liverpool decided someone signed the BM no, then somebody have gone closer to the player in the shape of Manuel Ugarte. Someone who need Manuel Ugarte, this is a player who see a kind of Sporting CP. Abrobe PMU the Europa League game against Arsenal no be who the quality of such a player.
SOMPA Sports.
PSG any Abrante way agree personal terms assistance. Manuel Ugarte, PSG any agree terms. PSG are willing to pay 60 million euros as his release clause. Omoko anamu diskana koto bam. Sporting CP scanning ye monfane maye. Then you begin to ask yourself another question again. Paris Saint-Germain no mo na kwasa Fabian Ruiz. Enyo mo na kwasa Vitinha. Omuni Marco Verratti wo. Omuni Danilo Pereira. That Bibia say they are definitely going to fade out most of these players very soon within the club. Starting from Neymar.
The decline so the ones who do up Carlos Soler.
Carlos Soler.
We no Valencia buy.
Ono so buy you hwe. And BBR just said they are going to fade off most of these players due to the quality of Kutama no Lugate are fitting the profile of a typical number 6. You see, Danilo Pereira and Komani Moses Libio Mabudiabi. Most of the time, I'm going to a center back. Emmanuel Ugarte fits into that particular number 6 role for them, and I already said they are going to pay a lot of money for Abrante Fen Emmanuel Ugarte. Now, we see a kind of most of the stories that I've said Victor Osimhen or Akomeah Berlin. No, boy, Nankasani dream this over Bobo England. The day soon in answer Bobo. The day soon in answer Bobo England. The day soon is Bobo now England. They say within England, Nankasana strike a ben amount for the job. Scanner Yabobo to Victor Osimhen so no. None of the clubs are ready to pay. It's a very likely that Abrante will not be at Napoli for 1 year. And among the cheaper options now, Abrante will see a kind of man Atlanta fan Hotland. Then over here Hurricane. No one should call money. These are the 3 players. I will be a striker and anybody brings also bit Makafana Daba. Unless Chelsea moves in, but Chelsea are some no more can you say. They need to sort out their defensive midfield problem. And make sure so bit come so Peugate by assistance in idea. Unless I'm to see a chair Mudrik DNB. No matter what sign Ugarte the Naba partner Enzo Fernandez. Unless they will need to move in for another midfielder in the shape of Ecuador Connie. I don't know see I can't watching Labak or the Germany Bundesliga. It is within a particular secular round no Baku Freeman was a Baku Beshim. So if Hurricane is moving from Tottenham Hotspur, you have Colomwani moving from Eintracht Frankfurt, then Victor Osimhen the other this will be breaking the bank. No Akako Town no Naba Beshim. And the only club that looks like breaking that particular bank Tima, your friend Chelsea so no bit matam says cano. Eddie Akakofa branch your friend Victor Osimhen. I'm an Ababesia kind, Eddie Amomo. Omo try say they will keep Kim Min-jae. But I've already said Kim Min-jae deal no Omo delay because there is an unofficial agreement between Manchester United and Kim Min-jae's entourage. Unofficial in the shape say you share din komo. You're interested in your player, you're penny and chungu krata so far myself as agency. You're no more tenacity I agree. But Omak express a verbal interest. I'm almost to me say, oh, Munya Comuni Paraba PMO, England. Due to the mileage, these Asian players in your Premier League. From Song to Park Jason Munino.
Yes.
About the Premier League, there's a certain aura around them. And the song could PMO the Chroma, who they are the capacity to do the chief Kruno. So imagine him or Phyllis no. Manchester is a big club. I come to Manchester, you look at the whole terrain and everything now. Baby, I'm a part to the bit me so well. But Napoli Nankasa Peso were extending the contract. No? Boy, no, it was 60 million euros buyout clause when it comes to the contract. It's Manchester to 10 as our clause in the bear activated at just July.
Oh, okay.
From bare 5th July, how can as our clause no bit. It's boy, any person to train Nase Kakra or call holidays Kakra. They say through July now. Now, so my agree personal terms. And I say Manchester this cannot be a day. And that's all extending. De Laurentiis is not going to sell Kim Min-jae.
Kim Min-jae. Now, Kim Min-jae, but they are there, Maguire.
Harry Maguire will be leaving Manchester United because West Ham you're interested in signing Harry Maguire.
West Ham for Harry Maguire.
Harry Maguire. Zuma suffer with injuries kakra. Obo na Munina and Abu. These are players most of them will have to go. Also, change.
So West Ham United now just a future normal centre backs no.
Future.
Angelo Gbona. Now about Harry Maguire. Ebisu about Kezuma. No about Harry Maguire. Naif Agwe.
Set three back.
Na Kezuma. And Harry Maguire. Akomeah.
And these are players Abu Dhabi. On say
West Ham United for 2-4.
West Ham
Angelo Gbona. Kezuma. Harry Maguire.
And I'm into
I'm say Naif Agwe.
And you see, you look at the kind of centre backs they have and the complement that they love together. Harry Maguire and Kasami Abu Dhabi personally for Manchester United. Harry Maguire has not been a good player for Manchester United in recent times.
Yes.
But what the Harry Maguire as a player and Kasasi wona the BBA Tonchenya from Leicester City to the English national team. Abu untimin despise of the quality, especially on the ball.
Abiamate na a game never cause a very quick one na post
Manchester United and Chelsea. Abu na say game with the aboy you.
How? Your balls the aboy. Say boy
Manchester United and Chelsea a bad draw.
Our simple sir.
Oh yes. Now in the Premier League, these two teams from about draw any other team. Man
United and Chelsea.
Man United and
Chelsea.
In the last 9 games between Manchester United and Chelsea at Old Trafford in the league, Chelsea team member share no.
That is so Rosi can say na say.
Ano mu mienu na so no mu share. Abu back once ebe pie but at Old Trafford Manchester United this season and apart from Brighton be share no City abaho abeje Barca abaho abeje obi ababeje
Zoro sika as game no Man United a share be draw as Chelsea for na sabi say your monya
de Chelsea for na sa
Chelsea sika no me
Chelsea will form said they no Manchester United share abu game no empire na say bibia no betima free maba and the reason why I'm even considering Manchester United win at home is due to their home form.
I don't think
the current form.
Maybe I need Chelsea more money.
But Chelsea more money here. It is either Manchester United or draw in this particular encounter. They will need a win to make sure somebody may secure their third place. But Abu Simone Inzaghi after so losing in the first final, we're winning 7 continuous finals when it comes. And Abu, the achievement is strange. I feel on data America say
about to be transferred in Yanko. Man City for out pay. Man City for la when the Man City tinayo. As the whole age in Man City for la robo. I don't follow Man City for. About